Nasa si Daniel! Daniel! Thank you po. Congrats Nadine. Top 7 yarn. Yung dimens. Kakain.
Parang na kaya pag may yung pong
Kakain. Ikaw.
gago.
Iba ka, ikaw din. Ikaw kakain.
Oh, ay malinaw yung rule kanina. Kailangan.
Oh, no choice ka rin pala eh. Dapat ka.
Ayoko lang ito nakita. Parang
I must take with you for a ride.
dali na, tumayo na kayo! Uy, B! Haggard na ako dyan!
Heart strikes upon the hour. I wanna dance with somebody. With somebody who loves me.
Maximum of 20 lang din ang basta.
Oh, wala ka? Hindi ko kasi iniwan natin. Ano? Hindi ko kasi iniwan natin ko sa... Ang attorney madalsan.
Hindi naman narinig ka. Kasi
Delulu. Labubu. Tayong dalawa yun eh, labubu.
nabubo. Hindi lang bubo.
Nabobo. Labubu. Ay! Sorry ah. Hala!
Uy, ang cute nito! Uy, ang cute!
Ang awkward nung una.
Oo nga, parang hindi na naman gagawin natin. Uy, sa akin na naman.
So that's almost like 3 months. 3 months from the original intended proceedings po. So I was able to observe na kung isang
OOTD.
Yo, Aaron! Go, Emily!
Young burger, young burger.
The People's Talk Show.
Gusto ko na mag-Christmas.
Hi, sis.
Hi! Wait ako, pangat ko ulitin mo yan. Hey! For the drive-thru ang mga bakala. Bida ang saya.
Matapon.
Baka ilagay mo dilis.
Bibitin mo nga pala.
Bibitin ko na lang.
Thank you for the ice cream, yummy.
Meron pa yan.
Kahit may ano nga, galing nung ano ko.
Ayan ah. May utang kang McDo.
Ako, Gab.
Pwede naman Gabi, Gcash mo na lang.
Yan ang kayong ko.
Yeah.
Ang ganda talaga nito yun. Yung ano na yan, no? Kung pwede lang yan makuha sa isang take eh, no?
Thanks, sis. Ate, pinindot si Ate. Sino ka ba? Aray ko! Sorry. Ay, hindi ko mo. Ano yun naman nagabas?
Baka na kayo nag-tip.
Switch po kami alam. 1, 2, 3. Oh,
Ay. Baka may violence.
Wallpaper mamaya.
Thank you.
Ayos yan.
Ayos. Si 95 yun.
Pusado.
Thank you. Uy, dito na tayo naman.
Sa atin pala to. My God.
Uy, ano yun? Uy, ano yun?
Anong flavor nito?
Ayaw nila yung lolo. Grabe sila, oh.
In such cases. And third, in challenging the constitutionality, it should be raised early on. Tapos, the fourth one,
relation to this case is the question of can the constitutional requirement to become a member of the judiciary be waived by the Judicial Board Council? It was alleged that she failed to meet the constitutional requirement of the Philippines, renders her appointment as invalid and oversight of the Supreme Court. Hence, they have the right to oversee that to the constitutional requirement that is provided.
11 of Article 8, which is member of the Supreme Court and judge of lower court, and 70 years old or inka by the majority by the Supreme Court and bank and by the majority vote of all member who to divert outside the judiciary function. Also judge and just Supreme Court and bank. Yes, sir.
Supreme Court case, Chavez versus JPC. Of the Judicial and Bar Council. This is the council is embedded under Section 8 of
State's authority through the Legal Education Board to supervise and regulate legal education should also be read together.
Pati yung mga pati yung mga inano nila pinatype. lang yung may filter.
Laki na sa'yo.
Ano lang, hindi pa nga ako tapos ng mais.
Parang ano pa ba? Homer, hello!
This one's red velvet and the other is mango pudding. With coconut. So pag kukuha ka dun, sabihin mo kung ano yun. Kaya pala. Kung gusto mo ipainit.
Uubusin mo yan.
Pwede hindi ah.
Uubusin mo yan.
Papapayat.